food. I guess I'm gonna get 2 cans. These things have buttons on the back of them right here. And we'll pop them open. At this point, the cats hear it. They come in. Sorry, I'm just gonna put the food in the cans for 1 second. Hey, Momo. So for breakfast, they should each get a can. They should each get the same amount. But for dinner, Momo gets less and Henry gets more because Momo's on a diet, so she gets 3/4 of a can. And then, once they're kind of in there and eating, you hit the button again. And now the light turns green, which means that it's detecting the cat. And when the cat walks away, that green light should turn off and the thing should close. And that's all. And I guess check to make sure they have water. But honestly, they don't drink that much water when they're eating wet food. So that's about it.